Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's definitely been a while since I've done a vlog, so I just wanted to update you guys on like things that have been going on. It is the week after New Year's, I guess, so I had to go back to work yesterday for like the first day back after the holiday, and then I always have Fridays off. So today's my day off. Friday, Jacob's at work, and so I have like a few just like housekeeping things that we need to get done, because I feel like we didn't get a lot done during our we had like an entire week off for Christmas break and New Year's, but I feel like we didn't get a lot done like for the household just because it was so busy like being with family, which is all awesome, but we just didn't get a lot done. So I need to get like some things like picked up and cleaned, but I wanted to show you like a couple little baby hauls because I ended up getting a lot of stuff for baby boy over Christmas, and so I wanted to show you like the awesome things that he got. I am also going to be 20 weeks pregnant tomorrow, and so I am sporting the bump. It's definitely here. So we ended up having like a few Christmas things to go to. My parents are divorced, so I had like one with my mom, one with my dad, one with Jacob's parents, one with Jacob's like extended family, one with my extended family. Like there were a bunch of like Christmas celebrations, which was a lot of fun. And so we got like awesome things from a whole bunch of people, and they're super cute. I think everyone just loves buying baby clothes. I mean, who doesn't? So I have this onesie with a sloth, and it has sloth toes. This was given to us. This is another onesie. It's like a magnetic one. Instead of the buttons or like zipper or anything, it's magnetic. So that's pretty fun, and it's so soft. I think that this one is from Nordstrom. Then I got this little set, this PJ set. They're like button-up onesies. It's super cute. It has a little hat that came with it. So this one is also very sweet. These were a couple that were given to us by some of Jacob's family. And this onesie is really cute, a little bit loud. And then this one, zip-up PJs, which I love the zipper on it, with milk and cookies. So sweet. My grandma got us this PJ set. It's a little bit bigger. It's another little cute outfit. And she got us this one too, which is like a soft flannel material. So that'll be great for winter, which it's bigger, and he should be able to fit into the size when it's winter. And also the feet are little walruses, so love little like winter Arctic animals. We got this cute little toy. It's a soft little blanket and has a little zebra on it. And these soft bibs with teethers on the end of them. So those are really cute. Jacob's parents recently went to Disney World, so they got this for us, which is really cute. A Space Ranger in training. And they also got us this little stuffed animal for him. It's a baby Simba all wrapped up in this blanket. And this blanket is so stinking soft. But Jacob's like favorite movie growing up was Lion King, and so his parents thought that this would be really fitting. And so like it comes apart, and so you can see like little baby Simba here. And then we also got this book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, which I remember this book as my childhood book. We actually don't have like any books yet, so it'll be fun to like get him like more books and things. So that's always a fun one. And then I also got this little caterpillar that came with it as a gift. And he like makes noise. So very sweet. And another fun thing that we did this week related to baby is we got some of the nursery complete. And actually Jacob did most of this. This room beforehand was a really dark color, so over our like week break off, Jacob painted the whole thing, and also my parents came over and helped, which was really nice of them. And then Jacob hung up and got like some furniture put together for the room. So this glider I got at Target. I will leave a link to it below if you're interested in that, as well as the crib. So our baby's due in May, and so I know that it seems really early that we'd have like a crib and a rocker and those sorts of things in here, but Target was having an amazing Black Friday sale, so I picked up the crib and the glider because I figured that those kinds of things like you buy yourself anyway. It's not something that you get like off a registry. So I just decided to buy it since it was on like a deep discount. So that's why we already have these things and they're put together. Target was also doing a sale on other home goods and things during that like same Black Friday time. So I got this pillow, which is like the theming for the nursery. I'm doing like a modern Southwest style, so I'm gonna have some like cactus stuff in here too. And then this little like poof for the glider, which I think is really cute and a much cheaper alternative than like the ottoman like glider thing that you can also buy for the rocking chair. It was like so much more expensive. And then the curtains and the curtain rod were also on sale, and so I just decided to pick those up at the same time. So we'll need to figure out like the configuration of this room. I feel like the room is a lot smaller than what I initially thought now that we have like furniture items in here, but I know that we'll have to like reconfigure things. We still need to get a dresser, and I think that's the last like big furniture item. We also got the Mamaroo because it was additionally on sale, and this was kind of a fiasco with Target, but it's officially here. It works. It's great. So kind of long story, I'm gonna try and keep it short, but I initially ordered this pattern for the Mamaroo, but then Target sent me the wrong pattern, so then I had to like contact Target.com, boxed it back up. Target.com told me that I could either take it into the store or ship it, so I just took it into the store, and then when I took it into the store, like the store manager was like, no, Target.com and Target stores are two completely different things. Like we can like take this back and just refund you your money, but like we can't exchange it. And so that was kind of a bummer because I bought this on such a great sale. It's normally like $220 and I bought it for like $120 with the Target sale. And so then she just automatically refunded my card, and I was like, no, wait, that's not what I was wanting. Like, talked to Target.com and they were supposed to have it all set up, that they were just going to like send me the one that I actually ordered. I just want the one that I actually ordered. And unfortunately they couldn't do that, so she had to refund me how much I like paid for it, so like the $124, and she told me, go order like the one that you initially wanted and then come back and then we'll refund you the difference to your card. And so of course then I go to Target and buy the item, and it was like, you know, 220 bucks. And then I show back up at the Target store and I was like, hey, the store manager told me that I could get a refund, and they're like, well, she's not here today and I'm not sure about that. And so it was this whole fiasco. Another manager came over and she was like, well, like, she should have told you to reach out to Target.com because they're two different things. And so then she ended up only being able to issue me a Target gift card, which, let's be honest, I'm still going to spend the Target gift card for the difference. So I now have like a $90-ish Target gift card to be used. Anyway, it was a frustrating hassle, the fact that Target sent me I ordered it on sale, Target sent me the wrong item, and then I've had to go to the store multiple times to get this all figured out. Like, I'm running around in circles trying to just get the item that I paid for, and that's been a bummer. But the new one is officially here and I have the gift card, so I'm sure I'll spend it. It was just a frustrating week of trying to get that all figured out. I'm also just pregnant, and I was like very frustrated and emotional and literally trying to be so nice to the people at Target customer service, but I walked out of Target on literally the like verge of tears. Like, I was trying to blink back tears because I was just so frustrated that it was this whole runaround for something that I thought should just be easy, of just exchanging the item for the one that I actually wanted and that I actually bought. So if you didn't know, as I was told by the people at Target, Target.com and Target stores are two different things, and I apparently should have known that.
I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody.
Jacob's home from work.
Yay.
How was your day at work?
It was good. How was
Good.
yours?
Good, very productive. We have a clean kitchen.
Woo!
And we are going out to dinner for Friday date night.
Yay.
Hey guys, it's now the next day. We had a lovely happy hour dinner last night, and then this morning I am about to get on the treadmill just to walk a little bit and try and stay a bit more active during my pregnancy. So I also have a few more chores to get done today, and then we are also attending a wedding. So it should be a fun and also a productive day.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
I definitely need to be doing that more often.
About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
We've had such a productive morning this morning. Jacob cleaned all the bathrooms. We got everything vacuumed, swept, mopped, all the floors. Bathrooms are all clean. And laundry is going. So it's been a very productive morning, but I'm also very exhausted. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks you guys so much for hanging out and watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Not looking